proximity or neighborly relations that thesis actually fails. Because of the hate and venom and the voiceless politics which actually populates our discussion, if that will be at the center stage, then definitely this entire associational or interfaith dialogue may not work. Varshney, in fact, also accelerates the state's publicity. Then there is Thomas Brooke Hansen's work, which talks about the profane and the sublime of the cultural conception of the state, where the profane is incoherence, brutality, partiality, and banality, which is again visible during the violence and also at the political level. And also the sublime, where there comes the very logic of the state, the state sovereignty. There's something called testing of the sovereignty of the state. And many of the time the state proves its sovereignty, or many of the time the state proves its legitimacy by, being sort of, very, going to sort of extra miles to kill, say, Muslim bodies, or any of the incident which is happening. State is always kind of ready, super ready to blame the Muslims, so that by arresting them, incarcerating them, and that is the reason that this question leads to many of the states, if you see, even small acts of, say, stealing or something, that amounts states ire. We see in the state of Assam, for an example, Muslims are in jails. Let's say 50% of the jail population in Assam is, say, populated by Muslims. And this story goes to every unruly and uncontrolled, and they need to be socialized. They need to be educated. So they are not supposed to be the respected, say, citizen of the state. I found it very interesting, piece written by T.S. Venkatesh, the organizer. Venkatesh writes, in the overnight jails, and in fact there is some kind of triumphalism and cherishing of that the people who are supposed to be second-class citizens are actually overcrowding the jails. So mind you, their percentage in jails are far exceeds their percentage in the overall population.